Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit Squarespace website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your home menu and then you have to select that page or post you want to edit and then click on edit. And now simply select that section or part which you want to edit, and now you will be easily edit anything from your site. And if you want to change or edit your image, then select your image and click on this pencil icon, and now you can delete your image or you can edit. Also you can replace your image. So this was how we can edit our Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.